Have you ever had a night that felt like it was written just for you? Only to discover every single detail was copied from someone else's love story. That was me last Valentine's Day. 7 weeks with Marcus. Tall, dark-haired. The kind of smile that stops traffic and restarts hearts. Texts at 2 p.m. that just say thinking about you and actually mean it. We'd survived New Year's Eve together, met each other's friends, had that delicious, electric "this is going somewhere" hum under every conversation, every glance, every accidental brush of hands. So when he leaned across the dinner table one January night, eyes sparkling under the restaurant lights, and said, "I've planned the most perfect Valentine's Day for us, just trust me, clear your entire schedule," why did I melt so completely? Am I really that easy, or is just trust me the oldest trick in the book? I cleared it. I bought the red silk dress I'd been saving for something special. I got the blowout, the manicure, and the wax I definitely didn't need but got anyway. I was ready. 6 p.m. sharp, February 14th. A black town car, not Uber black, an actual driver in a suit, pulls up outside my building. Marcus steps out looking like he walked off a magazine cover. Navy tailored suit, crisp white shirt open at the collar, that effortless hair that somehow looks better messy. He hands me a single long-stem red rose wrapped in black tissue, kisses me slowly and deliberately like we're already the couple in the movie trailer, and whispers, "Tonight is all about you." The driver even calls him sir. Am I pathetic for loving that? Or is it okay to enjoy being treated like a princess for once? First stop, a rooftop bar in Soho I had mentioned exactly once, 6 months earlier to a girlfriend over brunch in a throwaway dream date fantasy. How did he remember that? Or did he just Google romantic rooftop bars NYC and hope for the best? The corner table is reserved under his name. Fairy lights drip from every railing like golden waterfalls, heaters glowing softly, the entire Manhattan skyline glittering below us like someone scattered diamonds just for this moment. He orders my exact favorite cocktail, elderflower gin fizz, 2 limes, no sugar rim, without even glancing at the menu. I laugh, stunned, and ask, "How did you remember that?" He taps his temple, gives me that half smirk, and says, "I remember everything about you." Am I falling for genuine effort? Or just really good note-taking? Second stop, a tiny, impossible-to-book Italian spot in the West Village. Handwritten menus, exposed brick, one of those places with a 3-month wait list and a host who knows your name. We walk in, and the Mater D lights up like we're royalty. "Mr. Marcus. Welcome back. Your usual corner table is ready, candle already lit. Welcome back?" Why did that feel like a compliment instead of the first crack in the fairy tale? A bottle of 2016 Barolo is breathing on the table like it's been waiting all year. The waiter brings an amuse-bouche and says with a wink, "Same as last year, just like you requested." Same as last year? Why did I smile instead of asking who he spent last year with? Dinner is pure magic. He feeds me bites of burrata across the table like we're in a 90s rom-com. Feeding me dessert with his fork. Is that still romantic? Or is it secretly cringe and I'm too deep in the fantasy to admit it? We argue playfully over who gets the last forkful of carbonara. He tells me I look beautiful in candlelight, and I actually believe him. Dessert arrives, tiramisu with Happy Valentine's Day, written in perfect chocolate cursive. He scoops a bite, holds it to my lips, and the entire restaurant does that collective awe thing. Am I living a real moment? Or just performing for strangers? Final stop, horse-drawn carriage through Central Park. Yes, the ridiculously cheesy one with the red plaid blanket and the twinkly white lights strung along the roof. He helps me up like a gentleman, tucks the blanket around us both, pulls out a tiny Tiffany blue box from his coat pocket. Inside was a delicate gold necklace with a tiny heart pendant that catches every light in the park. He fastens it around my neck, fingers brushing my skin, and whispers, "I wanted tonight to be unforgettable." I whisper back, "It already is." We kiss under the park lights while the horse clops along like we paid for the rom-com deluxe package. Is cheesy still cinematic? Or am I just desperate to believe in magic again? The next morning, I'm still floating. Wearing his Harvard hoodie, eating cold tiramisu straight from the doggy bag for breakfast, scrolling Instagram like a lovesick teenager. That's when I see it. A post from his ex, dated exactly February 14th last year. Same restaurant, same corner table, same candle. Same Barolo vintage. Same tiramisu plate with the exact chocolate cursive. Same carriage photo, same red blanket, same angle of the park, same filter. Even the necklace box in her photo is Tiffany blue. Just a rose gold chain instead of yellow. I zoom in until my thumb hurts. Caption: Best Valentines ever with my forever person, at Marcus Official. My stomach drops so fast the tiramisu threatens to make a dramatic reappearance. When did recycling an entire Valentine's Day become acceptable? When did I plan the perfect night turn into I copy-pasted last year's greatest hits and swapped the girl? Because here's what unraveled over the next 48 hours like a bad detective movie. The rooftop bar? She'd tagged it in stories last year with the caption, "Dream date come true." The Italian restaurant? I called anonymously, of course, pretending to confirm a reservation. They still had his name from February 14th the previous year, same time, same table request. The carriage company? Their online portal let me see past bookings with his email. Exact same route, exact same romantic package. The necklace? Same brand, same heart pendant, just different metal tone. Like he walked into Tiffany, pointed at last year's purchase and said, "Same, but make it gold." He didn't plan a single original moment. He hit Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V on his ex's greatest hits, changed the color scheme, and served it to me like it was fresh. I confronted him 2 days later, calmly, over coffee, because screaming felt too undignified for the girl in the red silk dress. His face went through every shade of pale. First defense: it's not a big deal. Those are my favorite places, so why reinvent the wheel when I already know you'll love them? Second defense: I was trying to make it perfect for you. Third, and my personal favorite, at least I didn't take you somewhere new and risk you hating it. Risk me hating it? As if the biggest risk wasn't making me feel like the understudy in someone else's love story. When did laziness become a romantic strategy? When did I know what works replace I want this night to be uniquely yours? Because here's my ice-cold no apology opinion, and I'm saying it loud enough for the back row. If the most romantic night of the year is just a remix of your ex's playlist with my name sharpied over hers, then I'm not your girlfriend. I'm the cover band. If you can't be bothered to create one single new memory that's actually about me, you don't deserve to feed me tiramisu across candlelight. I gave the necklace back in its little blue box. I deleted every carriage photo. I ate the rest of the tiramisu alone on my couch in sweatpants and blocked his number before the chocolate writing fully melted. This Valentine's Day, I'm booking my own corner table at a restaurant I've never tried, wearing a dress he's never seen, ordering a bottle of wine I discovered myself, and making memories that are 100% original issue. So ladies, spill your recycled romance horror stories below. Did you laugh it off, cry it out, or return the necklace like I did? Because I chose myself. And honestly, best plot twist yet. Thanks for watching.